Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. In our previous lecture, I have just shown you that how we'll import a AutoCAD file to Sketchup Pro. So that video link are also given in description, and all tutorials of Sketchup Pro, that link are given in description. So if you're new here, you can watch that. So in this lecture, I have just told you that I will draw a wall. Okay, I will draw a 3D wall with respect to that plan. Okay, so if your plan is grouped like that, then it's okay. Otherwise, simply select your plan like that, and after that right click and click here. So here you can explore that, and after that simply you have to make it group. Okay, so if you don't know how to make group, then you can watch our previous lecture that are given in description. So first of all, actually we'll use a simple concept here to draw wall, so that we can draw wall simply. So how? Actually, I'll just take our here, I'll take our that line. Okay, then here if I go in red, then here, and again if I go here and here, now just see a box have been created. So if I go here for push or pull, a wall will be created. Just see here, a wall have been created. So we'll just use that formula to create wall. So Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Okay, done. Now to draw a wall, what will do actually? Here I will create line. So we have to remember, I will start from that point. Okay, I'll start from that point. So from that point to that point, again that point, again here, that point, again here, and come back, scroll your mouse, and here again come here, again come here, again here, again here, here. Actually we'll just draw line like that, how much possible, how much we can go in that process. So here to here, again here, again here. We'll try to cover every line. So I think it's okay, right? I think it's okay. Now I'll just go there, we'll draw line in that side. After completing that part, I'm just firstly showing you. So here to again directly I'll just go here. Okay, and so we have to move that. How will move that? Simply your comment will be like that, no problem. Just click here, that pen, move it here, then again go here, pen. So from here I'll just here, and last one here. So just see, we have created that box here as we required, right? So perfectly we have created that box. Now if I click here, right, if I click here for pull and push, so I'll just click here, and I'll take our mouse here and see it will change its background. Then simply click and push in top. Okay, so push in top direction like that. See, so actually what will be the height of that wall? So you can define that here. Okay, you can define that here. So simply I will just write here from keyboard 10. Okay, I'll write 10, and from here apostrophe, the fit sign, then enter. Just see how perfect we have created a wall of here. We have created that, right? We have created here. Now in similar way I will just complete the next part. Okay, I'll complete next part. So from here again, from that point I will start, and I will complete the line drawing in that point. So I'll just click here, then I'll click here. I'll just go fast little bit here, then here. I'll just come here, okay, and I'll come here too. I'll just go directly that point, then that point. I'll just cover overall point, okay, here, and if I do any mistake, finally we'll check that. So here I'll just come here, and I'll come here again, then here. Do that carefully, like that joint. So here is another. So again I'll just go here, again here too, directly here. I hope it will be okay to you, and you'll be okay to do that. So that point right now we're not seeing here, so simply I'll just move that, no problem. Then I'll click here, because it will consider the previous comment here. And when it's done, simply I'll directly come here, again I'll directly come here, then I'll directly come here. I hope it will be okay. So just see, we have done that. We have done that perfectly. So when it's done, right, when it's done, now I'll just click here to use extrude, pull or push. Okay, so here simply now we can do that by using reference line. We'll take our mouse here, it will change color, then click, and after that take your mouse here to create the reference body. Just see, it's done, right? So we have done that perfectly. We have drawn our wall perfectly. I hope you have understand. And there have a line, right? There have a line. So if I delete that line, it will not affect our structure, right? It will not affect our structure. And they have another line. Sorry, if we also delete that, it will also not affect our structure. Just see, and also we can delete that. So it's done, right? It's done. We have drawn our structure perfectly. So in our next lecture, I'll just show that how we'll create, how we'll draw our windows, how we'll draw our door in our next lecture. So I hope you will stay with me and you will learn that how to do that. So thank you very much. And if you are also in LinkedIn, then you can connect me there. That link are given in description, and also subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first. So thank you very much. Still stay connected till next video.